today we are doing a drive retrofit. So we are taking an old ACH 401 cabinet. The cabinet has already been retrofitted once with an ACH 550. That 550 has failed, so we're going to pull that 550 out and replace it with a brand new ACH 580.
Usually there's some sort of failure, so we might have had some sort of power condition that happened that failed this drive. We've got power into the drive. We've lost 24 volts on the board. And it being almost 21 years old, customer decided that they would like to go forward with a replacement. Somebody came out here, diagnosed the drive, got the customer a quote for a replacement.
So we're gonna pull all the wiring out, clean and tighten everything in the cabinet. We're gonna install the new inverter and then program the inverter to match the way that the customer is controlling their air handling unit, test and make sure that everything looks all right on that end.
We see at the 20-year mark, depending on how the drive has been maintained, maintenance is a very important thing with these very low frequency drives. As you can see here, actually, this is a pretty cool shot. We've got an old 500 series, ACH 500 series drive down here. That drive could be well over 25 years old. We've got an ACH 401 right here. So yeah, we generally see about 20 years, and then, depending on how critical the unit is, we like to see, a planned maintenance after that. And again, it depends on environment, how hot the environment is, how dirty the environment is. But ABB drives are phenomenal, and they will run for a very long time as long as you take care of them.